So you might be trying to go through and figure out how to use wireless CarPlay on your iPhone in your car. Now, doing this is very basic, but the very first thing you have to understand is that not every single car supports wireless CarPlay, but also not every single every iPhone supports wireless CarPlay if it supports CarPlay, but not every device car out there supports wireless CarPlay. So keep that in mind if you're okay with that and if you know what to do basically, and if you know your car supports it. What you're going to want to do is you want to hop inside of your iPhone settings right here. You want to scroll down until you see General, which is right here. And what you're going to want to do is you want to go and click on CarPlay. So CarPlay is right here, and then you'll come into this section. Now, what it's going to show you here is it's going to say, if your car supports wireless CarPlay, press and hold the voice control button on your steering wheel to start CarPlay status, to start the CarPlay setup. So what you're going to want to do is that little voice icon that you have on the side of your steering wheel, you're going to want to hold that down to activate your voice control. Or if you know how to get into your CarPlay settings or your setup settings inside of your car, like the dashboard, you can go and click on there to get into it. And then what you're going to see is that once it gets into CarPlay setup, it's going to start showing the cars right in this section right here. So all you're going to want to do from that point is to go ahead and tap on the car once your car shows up here. And then you're going to be able to go ahead and actually use your specific car with those specific, with the dashboard and within the CarPlay completely wirelessly. So that's a very, very easy thing to do. Like I said, doesn't really take too much time. And that's pretty much how to do it. If it's not working, that means your CarPlay setup is not functioning on your car, or your iPhone probably just needs to be updated or restarted, and that will probably end up fixing the situation. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that will mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.